Hello, I'm Anishka Eliasheva from Department of Biology and Ecology at University of Ostrava.
Hello, I'm Bojana from the same department, and you're about to see our poster Plastic Cleistogamy in response to competition and drought stress.
Cleistogamy is the ability that some plants have to produce closed, obligately selfing, and open, potentially outcrossing flowers. Cleistogamy is often plastic, and the proportion of closed flowers can vary in response to environmental cues. In Lamium amplexicoli, the production of open flowers can vary between 50% in warm, long days up to 100% when populations grow in cold, short days. It is generally thought that closed flowers are favored in resource-poor and stressful environments, which limit the plant development, whereas showy, open flowers are produced when the plant has sufficient resources and low stress exposition. However, most empirical research tests only one environmental factor at a time. In our study, we combined two unfavorable environments in a full factorial design and tested how they influence cleistogamy and other traits in Lamium amplexicoli. An interspecific competition treatment was simulated by growing the plants in a common garden in locally undisturbed vegetation. Drought stress was induced by avoiding to water the plants unless absolutely necessary. Both of these treatments are expected to reduce available resources and increase stress because the species is a very poor competitor and thrives in temperate climates. Unsurprisingly, competition and drought both significantly decrease plant vegetative growth, but their effects are not purely additive. If we look at the proportion of closed flowers, we see that the production of closed flowers is low when the plants are watered, regardless of the occurrence of competition. However, if the plants are suffering drought, they increase the production of closed, inconspicuous flowers. Most remarkable is the fact that competition always decreases plant size, but it only affects cleistogamy when Lamium amplexicoli is also exposed to drought stress. Investing in costly open flowers in a competitive environment might be a way to ensure that the species produces outcrossed offspring that is more genetically diverse and suffers less in breeding depression and thus can better withstand competition. However, this is only possible if the plant is not limited in water resources. If you want to have a look at this in detail and see how seed production differs among open and closed flowers in different conditions, how do we explain these results, check out our poster. If you have further questions, such as are there any differences among the studied populations, is plastic cleistogamy an adaptive trait, feel free to reach out by email. Our upcoming paper might have the answers for you.